Good morning.
Good morning. You are here early today.
Yes, I wanted to start work a little early.
That is a good idea. The office is very quiet now.
Yes, it feels calm in the morning.
I like this quiet time.
Me too. It helps me focus.
Do you have a lot of work today?
Yes, I have some reports and emails.
That sounds busy.
A little, but it is okay.
I also have many things to do today.
What do you need to do?
I need to organize some files and answer phone calls.
That is important work.
Yes, I try to keep everything organized.
You always do a great job.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Do you want some coffee?
Oh, yes, that would be nice.
I am going to the kitchen now.
Wait, I can help you.
That is kind of you.
Teamwork starts with coffee.
That is true.
Do we have enough coffee?
Yes, I think so.
I will bring the cups.
Great. I will make the coffee.
The kitchen smells good already.
Fresh coffee always smells good.
I agree.
Do you like strong coffee?
Not too strong.
Okay, I will make it light.
Thank you.
Here is your cup.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Coffee makes the morning better.
Yes, it wakes up the brain.
That is very true.
Let's sit for a moment.
A short break before work is nice.
Yes, just a few minutes.
How was your evening yesterday?
It was good. I went for a walk.
That sounds relaxing.
Walking helps me feel calm.
I stayed home and watched a movie.
That sounds fun.
It was a comedy movie.
I like comedy movies.
They make people laugh.
Laughing is good for health.
Yes, it is.
Are you ready for today's work?
Yes, I feel ready now.
Coffee helps a lot.
It really does.
Let's go back to our desks.
Okay.
I will start checking emails.
I will organize these files.
If you need help, tell me.
Thank you. That is very kind.
We should help each other.
Yes, teamwork is important.
Oh, I see many emails today.
Are they important?
Some of them are.
Take your time.
Thank you.
I finished organizing the first group of files.
That was fast.
I like keeping things neat.
That helps the office run smoothly.
Oh, this folder looks confusing.
Let me see.
I am not sure where to place these papers.
I can help you with that.
Thank you.
These papers belong in this folder.
Oh, I see now.
It is easy to get confused sometimes.
Yes, but your help makes it easier.
Anytime.
The phone is ringing.
I will answer it.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning.
Was it a customer?
Yes, the customer asked about our service.
Were you able to help?
Yes, everything is clear now.
That is good.
Customer service is very important.
Yes, happy customers are important.
Exactly.
Oh, I finished organizing all the files.
Great work.
Thank you.
You worked very hard.
It feels good to finish tasks.
Yes, it does.
Do you need help with your report?
Actually, yes.
What can I do?
Can you check these numbers?
Of course.
Thank you.
Let me look carefully.
Take your time.
Everything looks correct.
That is great news.
I am happy to help.
I appreciate it.
Helping each other makes work easier.
That is true. Oh, look at the time.
Yes, it is lunchtime.
Let's go for lunch.
Good idea. I am a little hungry.
Me too.
Let's go to the kitchen.
I brought lunch from home.
That is nice. What did you bring?
I brought rice and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I brought a sandwich and some fruit.
That is a good lunch.
Let's sit and eat.
Yes, this is a good break.
Lunch helps us get energy again.
That is true.
The morning was busy.
Yes, but we did a good job.
Working together makes work easier.
I agree.
Thank you for helping me earlier.
You helped me too.
Good coworkers support each other.
Exactly.
I feel better after eating.
Me too.
Are you ready to go back to work?
Yes, let's finish the rest of the tasks.
We can do it.
Together.
Teamwork always wins.
That is a good line.
Yes, it is.
The afternoon will be busy.
That is okay.
We are ready.
Yes, we are.
Thank you for being a great coworker.
Thank you for being helpful and kind.
Working together makes the day better.
It really does.
The workday is almost finished.
Time goes fast when we work together.
Yes, it does.
Good job today.
Good job to you too.
Finally, the workday is over.
Yes, we worked hard today.
I feel a little tired now.
Me too. It was a busy day.
My body feels a little tired.
Maybe you need some good rest.
Yes, I will go home and relax.
That sounds like a good idea.
What will you do this evening?
I will go home, eat dinner, and rest.
Rest is very important after a busy day.
That is true.
Even good work can make us tired.
Yes, but it feels good to finish everything.
I agree.
Tomorrow will be another new day.
Yes, and we will be ready again.
Take care and rest well.
Thank you. You too.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a peaceful evening.